Hey, what's up guys, it's Fonte here. Samsung has pushed out a new OTA update for Samsung Galaxy A50 users. Apart from the minor bug fixes and improvement in the operation system, it will update the A50's security patch level to October 2019. The download size for the OTA update is about 125 MB in size, and you can check for the update friends on your device from settings menu going to the about section. Changelog for the update reads as device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, and further improvements to performance. The last update to Samsung Galaxy A50 came on September 27, which improved the network stability issue in the device. The Galaxy A50 also had call stability issue, which was fixed in the last update. Did you already update your Galaxy A50? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.